Hi guys, Rick Damon here with Cowtown USA in Cuba, Missouri with a brand new 2019 Lakota stock combo with a mid-tack with a ramp. I thought I'd kind of walk you through here. It's got your dual hydraulic jacks, triple batteries, dual propane. Now this is the all aluminum version. I'll take you back here, kind of show you a little bit around here. Got your mid-tack here, and step here off the side. Power awning with your weather guard, aluminum wrap. I mean, that's a big deal, guys. 16-foot stock back end. Got your double doors, rubber bumper all the way across the back end of it. So you have two 8-foot box stalls or 16-foot length. Your load lights on the back, all LED lighting, controls and switches. Look at the size, thickness on these hinges. Welded and riveted. Come down this side, you got your horse ties, 4 horse ties here outside. Got an escape door. You're fully armor plated front to back, which makes the trailer a lot more rigid, keeps it from twisting. And eyeball, it looks a lot better, that's for sure. Got your slide out on it. Here's something I like too. You walk up the ramp, and your saddles are right here. I mean, I'm looking down on saddle racks instead of looking up high on them. And that's the difference. All mold resistant. Here on your wall, hanging your bridles, your halters, your lead ropes, whatever. Mold resistant, doesn't turn your walls all that light gray color. That doesn't get the aluminum rubbed on all your equipment. 7'6" tall as well. So 2 box stalls, 8x8. Okay. And I'll walk in through the mid-tack. All right. This has been upgraded to your Hickory. You got your frosted glass in your shower with your extra headroom in your shower with your skylight. Nice vanity mirror. Lights above it. 2019 model, so all your new colors are here. Now here's a deal. Lots of people, first thing they want to find out is closets. Okay, so you got a nice hanging closet here. And again, you got a nice hanging closet here as well. Pocket door, so you don't have to worry about stepping back out of anybody's way. Just unsnap this, get hold of this, slide that nice hickory door out of there, put her right back in place. That's how she works. Got a nice couch here, makes into a bed. All trimmed in your Hickory and your Gator. Got all your, what they call it, characters in the wood. Very, very pretty. Got a Hickory cabinets in my own home. I like that very well. Your contrast here, your Gator and your chocolate. Soft shades. That's how simply it works, guys. Balance is covered in your Gator. Alright. I'll just start you back here at the bathroom wall. It's dual stainless steel sinks. Cabinet there. It's upgraded to convection microwave, so you don't have to have a gas oven. And you've got your gas stove here. Instead of having an oven here, your convection oven takes care of that. Now you can have all your drawers for the storage. Okay, got your big fridge up here, freezer on the top, fridge on the bottom, gas and electric. Okay, now here we go again. Another big hanging closet. Drawer here. Alright, here we are again. Another big hanging closet. So that's 4 closets. Got your flat screen TV that swings around over the bed. So you can watch it from the couch as well. storage up the top of the bed. Sconces, I think they call that. LED lighting, and it's all ducted. And look at the width of the steps. I really like this, guys. There's my boot there, so you can see how big and wide these steps are. Easy in, out of bed. That's a big deal. Another storage down here at the bottom under your fridge. Okay, your screen door all got a spring on it. Blocks, nothing to hook on the side of your trailer. It's made that way. I'll just kind of give you a look-see from this angle when you walk in. Access doors underneath your couch. And a lot of walking around room in it. Nobody walking over the top of each other. And again, the big steps. That's easy to get into the bed, easy to get out of the bed. Just kind of give you a shot from up here. It's so simple to climb up here. Stereo system inside, outside. I mentioned the television. Anyway, give us a call at 573-885-6300. 573-885-6300. Cowtown USA, Cuba, Missouri, or you can go on the web at CowtownUSAINC.com. CowtownUSAINC.com. Give us a call, 573-885-6300. Oh, I forgot to mention, this has got that new color on it for 19 too. I'll step back out here again. It's a silver metallic. Kind of hard to see. It's kind of spitting a little bit of snow here on us. Very, very color. It's going to be very popular for 2019. Coming up, well, it should be here in just a few days. 573-885-6300. 573-885-6300. Thank you.